Hi, today I will share how to create a sport team poster with perspective typography in Canva. We will make a high resolution poster here, so click create in Canva and choose custom size. Choose pixel as unit. The width will be 3600 and the height 4800. Click create new design. Go to text and scroll down to typecraft and then type here the name of the school. Change the font here. I will use freshman. Enter and choose this one. Change the font color here. Click plus button. I will choose this color. Click anywhere and scroll to custom. Scroll again to this one. And then I will move it to the top. And move it here. And move it here to adjust the line. And then click add to design. I will place it here and increase the size. Click on the blank space and then type here again the name of the team. And change the font to the same font. I will change the color to the other color. Click anywhere and choose custom and click this one. I will move it to the top and the middle I will move it here. Adjust the position like this and then click add to design. Place here I will increase the size. I move it here and back to custom. I will move it to the top a little. Update element. I will reduce a little. Now upload the player photo. I will add this one. Remove background. I'll place it here. And the other one. Remove background. And the front player. Remove background. I'll place it here and reduce the size to get the same size with the other. Now let's add some text. Season statistic here, the team motto here, and the team description here. So now we have it and click share, download, click download and then send it to the print shop. So this is the tutorial. Let's make this poster and you can show me to my Facebook. See you next video and have fun with Canva.